Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to insert a SIM card and micro SD card into the Honor 7. First, hold down the power key for a few seconds, tap power off and confirm again. Wait until the device is completely switched off. Find the slot on the left edge of the phone. Use a small tool or the ejector tool to press the hole. Open the slot and insert both cards. Place the micro SD card in the first slot. Insert the nano SIM card with the characteristic edge facing the correct way. Make sure both cards are seated properly and close the slot. Press the power key to turn the phone on and check if both cards work. Go to Settings, scroll down to Storage, and confirm the SD card is detected.